Hey guys, it's time for a new video episode of Easy Tips. Easy Tips will give you quick tips that will make you more productive using Easyflow. This time we are going to talk about creating a simple workflow that captures information from a web form through webhooks and send it to Google Sheets. Let's jump right on it. For this video, I created a web form using Webflow website builder. Also, I created a Google Sheet with columns mapped with the web form, and we are going to use the webhook to send information to Easyflow to do the integration. Let's start. Let's start with creating Easyflow. Webflow for here we created a webflow, a flow. I will drag the webhook as the first step. Then I will choose webhook, and this URL we are going to use it to configure our webhook. Let's click on it to copy, apply, and let's go to web form and add this webhook on form submissions. Now we need to submit the contact information and see how Easyflow will receive the data. For this reason, we need to click on real time to see what's coming in to Easyflow. Let's submit our form. I think, yeah. Okay. On clicking the submit, Webflow will trigger the webhook to send the information to Easyflow. Let's see if Easyflow received this information. So the real time will get refreshed every 30 seconds, but we can reroll that straight away. And here we are. The information went to Easyflow. The next step, we need to send this information to Google Sheet. Let's drag Google Sheet. This one. In Google Sheet, we are going to select add a row. Add a row means we are going to add a row here. Let's send the connection, the Google Sheet file, tutorial automation demo, then specify which sheet we are going to send the data. So in the data area, we have an array of JSON. Each value of this JSON represents a column on Google Sheet. For example, the first one represents the first department column. The second value represents the second column, and so on. Let's map this data with the data coming from the webhook. First, let's save it. And first one, we click this button. This data coming from webhook, department. The second one is the full-time name. The third one is the job position. Let's add the third one. Then the email. And finally, the date. I guess this one. And click apply. Now let's submit another form and see if the data went to Google Sheet. Put Peter 1, developer, support at. And here the data is in Google Sheet. Let's try to submit another form. Suppose sales, Peter 2, sales representative, and sales at easyflow.io. And here we are. Thank you for watching this video.